All right, today we're gonna go from this to this. Look at that. Brand new, absolutely beautiful. So to begin with, there's these two tabs we're gonna pull up on, and that will release this. And we disconnect this line right here. If these are getting a little hard to pull up, you can always just take a hammer, go underneath it right here, and just pop this out. That works. Okay, so I want to show you how these clips work that make it fairly simple. When we pull up and down on these two, which hold it in, if you look down here, you'll see how they work. When they're up, you put the lamp in to that socket, and then when you get it in, you push this down, and you see how that's smaller there? That's what's going to hold it in. As you can see, there's a crack right here. Water gets in, so we're going to go ahead and replace these as well. And this is a Torx T15. Now, I got these as a set of 4 on Amazon. The entire set came together, very reasonable. And I will put the link in the description. All right, so there you can see the before and after, the old one on the left, the new one on the right, and then same here. Let's pull this out here. Old one on the left, new one on the right. Quite a difference. Make sure you hang on to these so you can use them for the new ones. I'm going to hand tighten these the rest of the way because I don't want that plastic to crack in there, which you could easily do with an impact. Been there, done that. So just going to do it by hand, nice and snug. All right, we're going to go ahead and put this back in, and then this right here and this right here, these are to adjust your headlamp up and down and left and right. Okay, there you have it. Those look absolutely beautiful. Now, here's one little tip that I actually thought of during the middle of the night. Instead of buying the tool that you need to adjust these, I came up with the idea, and it looks like it works, of using this. So you just take your drill, attach it here, tighten it, and then you can move it back and forth. Now obviously we're going to have to adjust these at night up against the garage or against the wall, but that does work. And when you use the drill, this one's easy to get to. This one, you just pull this clip up, pull this out a little bit, and you'll be able to get to that one.